So my message to the youth and the younger generation, I know that a lot of them kind of create this narrative of them being YNs and all that stuff. It's like, don't give up on yourself, right? I know society already painted this picture of you being a certain way. You're not that. You're not that. Trust me. Don't let them label you. You are not that. You're way better than that. Like, you have so much potential. You have the world filled with opportunities just waiting for you. Don't let people sidetrack you and mess you up, right? And I say that because I grew up in a neighborhood where I've seen so many people that had a ton of potential chose the wrong path, right? And when they chose that wrong path, it's like if they could undo the mistake that they made, they would have taken any opportunity to do it, but it was too late, right? Either they got killed or they're behind bars, right? And I've seen that so many times. I currently see that happening right now with like just young people because they're misguided, whether it's by the media, whether it's by their peers, whether it's by people that so-called claim that they love them, but their loved ones are portraying the wrong message, or they're giving them the wrong direction. Because listen, if you love someone, you can't harm them, right? Well, you probably can, but it's like, if you're harming the person that you love, do you really love them? And if you're harming someone that you say you love, do you really love yourself? Is that love? That's not the real display of love, you know? So I just say that because young people, you have like the world ahead of you. You have so much potential. You can use your young years to become so successful, whether it's in business. Just become the person that you can look back at and be like, you know what, I admire that person. That's my message to everybody, not just young people, because older people can benefit from this message too. I know that I can benefit from messages like this as well. But yeah, just don't throw yourself off, man. Don't get caught up in the wrong things. Like the cemeteries, they always have spaces to put the bodies. The jails, as much as they say that, yo, these are packed, they're always gonna find a space for you inside there. Don't give away your 3 points. That's what I call it. Don't give away your life. Success is there for everyone. And I want to see people winning. Because if I can win, and you guys know my story, you can win too, I promise you. Especially in America. America has all the opportunities. I don't care who's president. I don't care what's going on. I don't care the situation. You have America, right? It's like in Jamaica, there's no safety net. In America, you have so many things. Like, yes, the government's probably cutting back on some of the benefits or whatever. I don't want to get into that. But you're in America. I've never seen someone fighting to go to Japan or fighting to go to Israel or Iraq. People kill themselves to get to America. And if you're here and you can work and you can create what you want, you have the freedom to do that, please make the best of it. And that's my message for you guys today. Please just make the best of your opportunity. Make the best of the life that you have. And always remember that there's a better version of your current self out there that's just waiting for you to tap into that. And I love you guys, but most importantly, God loves you. So love yourself. I'm out. Let's get it.